play this game. It's chicken screams. So if you talk, it'll walk or sing. If you scream, it'll jump. So this is gonna be my second time playing this. I played it. I want to do practice, but I suck. As you can see, I've already started. Okay. I want you to do something. Ah! 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 Okay. Oh no. Ah! Yay! Oh God. Ah! Okay, bye. Okay. Ah! No! Okay. So, I want you to fly. You see, I suck at this game. Make sure to subscribe to Leo Blah.
Play with millions of players in Dragon City now. Feed your dragons.
God. Annoying. Okay. I want you to fly. There you go. Okay. Oh no. Here we go. Hear your voice on the radio. Ah! Okay, we can do this. Come on, man. Come on. Ah! No! Oh, thank God. Ah! Okay. Walk slowly. Ah! Ah! We did it! Oh my God. Okay, walk slowly. Walk. Boing. Okay, walk. Walk slowly. Ah! Okay, this game is super annoying. Screaming my voice. Okay. Ah! That almost touched my butt. Okay, I'm only gonna do one more level, and I'm done. Ah! Okay. Oh. Okay, walk slowly. Now jump. Boing. Okay, walk slowly. Slowly, steady wins the race. Ah! Okay, guys, I have to end it right here. Sorry, I only did like 2 levels. Sorry about that. I'm gonna end the video right here. Woohoo! Bye, guys.